In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your Cash App account to Google Wallet so you can use it for the tap to pay purchases anywhere Google Pay is accepted. But before we start, make sure you already have a Cash App account and your Cash Card is fully activated. Basically, the Cash Card acts like a debit card, and that's what will be linking to Google Wallet. So, open your Cash App on your phone or any device and go to the Money or Banking tab, which is going to be the dollar balance screen. Make sure your Cash Card is active. Now, if you don't know your card details, here's how to find them. Tap on the Cash Card icon and select Card Details. You will see the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and these are going to be the exact details you'll need for Google Wallet later. Now, go to Google Wallet and on the left side panel, go to Payment Methods. Now, manually enter your Cash Card details from Cash App, which is going to be the card number, expiration date, the CVV, billing address, and the card holder name. Google Wallet may ask you to verify your card and you may get an SMS code, email confirmation, and just follow the prompt to complete the verification. And once verified, your Cash App card is now added to Google Wallet. You can now use your phone to tap and pay in stores. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to add your Cash App account to Google Wallet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.